This super refreshing and delicious homemade peach iced tea is made with real peaches, not store-bought peach syrup. Fresh, fruity, and so easy to make. Let's make it. We'll start by brewing the black tea. I like steeping it for about 5 to 7 minutes because that's long enough to give it a rich tea flavor without making it bitter. Once it's ready, remove the tea bags and let it cool while we prepare the peaches. I am using ripe, fragrant peaches here because the riper the peach is, the more naturally sweet and flavorful the iced tea will be. I'll cut each peach in half, remove the pit, and then slice them into smaller pieces. There is no need to peel them because we will be straining the peach mixture later. Now let's make the peach puree. Add the peaches, maple syrup, or any other sweetener of your choice, and water to a saucepan, and let everything gently simmer. As the peaches cook, they become soft, juicy, and naturally sweeter. That's exactly what gives this tea its fresh peach flavor without needing any bottled peach syrup. Once they are nice and tender, give them a gentle mash. Let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Now strain the peach mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Press firmly with the back of a spoon to get as much peach puree as you can. It only takes another minute, but it's well worth it for that fresh peach flavor. Pour the peach puree into a large pitcher. Then add the cool black tea. Next goes the fresh lemon juice. It doesn't make the tea taste like lemons. Instead, it brightens the peach flavor and balances the sweetness beautifully. Now stir in the chilled water and give everything a really good mix. Taste it before chilling. If you would like a little sweetener, add more maple syrup, or if you prefer a lighter tea, simply stir in a little more water. Cover the pitcher and refrigerate it for at least 2 to 4 hours. If you can leave it overnight, even better. The flavors blend together beautifully, and I honestly think it tastes even better the next day. Take out the chilled peach tea. Since we are using the real peaches, some of the puree will settle naturally at the bottom. Just give the pitcher a quick stir before serving and you're good to go. To serve, fill your glasses with plenty of ice, then add a few peach slices and lemon slices. Pour in the chilled peach tea and finish with the fresh mint leaves if you like. Just look at that. Fresh peaches, real tea, and simple ingredients come together to make one amazingly delicious and refreshing summer drink. It's fruity, perfectly balanced, and so much better than the bottled peach tea. If you make this homemade peach iced tea, I would love to hear how you liked it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my Ginger Garlic Kitchen channel for more easy and refreshing recipes like this. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. See you next time.